What if I told you that the one thing standing between you and your highest level of productivity is something you've been doing wrong your entire life? No, it's not working harder. It's how you're sleeping. I'm the Darklight mentor, and today we're going to talk about something most of us overlook: sleep. And I'm not just talking about hitting the pillow for a few hours. No, I'm talking about the kind of sleep that supercharges your productivity, fuels your creativity, and makes you feel like you can take on the world when you wake up. I used to be the guy who'd sacrifice sleep to get more work done. And you know what? It didn't work. Every time I pushed myself thinking that extra hour of work would push me ahead, I found myself stuck in a cycle of exhaustion and burnout. I felt like I was running a race with my shoes tied together. You've probably felt it too. The more you try to push, the less you actually achieve. That's when I realized sleep is not the enemy. It's your secret weapon. Now, let's break this down. When you sleep, your body and mind aren't just resting. They're recovering, recharging, and making sense of everything you've been through. Have you ever woken up with a brilliant idea, like your brain just sorted through all the chaos of the day and handed you clarity on a silver platter? That's because while you were asleep, your brain was busy solving problems, organizing your thoughts, and repairing itself. It's like your mind's personal cleanup crew. And don't even get me started on deep sleep. That's when the real magic happens. Your body is rebuilding muscles, boosting your immune system, and preparing you to be at your best. When you skimp on that deep sleep, you're basically telling your body, hey, don't worry about recharging, I've got this. But guess what? You don't have it. And that's where burnout sneaks in. But I get it. Life is busy. You've got deadlines, goals, and a million things to juggle. I've been there too. But the truth is, sleep isn't a luxury. It's an investment. Every hour you sleep is an hour spent on the most important project of all: your health, your mind, your future. Here's what I did, and it worked wonders. I created a sleep routine. Sounds simple, right? But routine is everything. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, your body learns to perform at its peak. And the best part? You won't even need an alarm clock soon. Your body will wake you up at the right time, refreshed and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. And here's a little secret for you. Stop using screens an hour before bed. I know, it's tough, but the blue light messes with your melatonin levels, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, take that hour to read a book, listen to calming music, or simply meditate. You'll be amazed at how quickly your sleep quality improves. I want to leave you with something my grandmother used to say: early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. And that's no joke. A solid night's sleep is the foundation for everything you want to achieve. It sharpens your mind, recharges your body, and gives you the energy you need to crush your goals. Now, here's a task for you. Tonight, try going to bed 30 minutes earlier than usual. Put away the phone, dim the lights, and let your body wind down. See how much better you feel the next morning. I want you to come back here and let me know. Did you wake up feeling more energized, more focused? I promise you, one small change tonight can change everything tomorrow. And remember, next time we meet, we'll dive even deeper into how to make every day count. Until then, sleep well and take care of yourself. You've got this.